Before using your induction range, clean the cooktop with the cleaner provided. Do not use scrub pads or cleaners with abrasive surfaces. We recommend using a damp paper towel. Be sure the range is powered off and cool to the touch. Never use the cleaner while the burner is still hot. Apply a few dime-sized dabs to each burner and work the cream into the surface. Let it set for 10 minutes, then rinse with a damp paper towel or dry cloth to remove all cleaning residue. For daily maintenance and regular cleaning, use a mild detergent and a damp towel. Sugary spills such as ketchup, tomato sauce, jellies, or melted plastics can cause pitting on the surface of the cooktop. Food or water that contain calcium, like baking powder, milk, or spinach, can permanently stain or discolor the surface. For spills that harden, wear an oven mitt and use a metal razor to remove the spill while the surface is still hot. If it's a watery spill, clean with a dry paper towel. In both cases, once the cooktop has cooled, use the provided cleaner and then rinse with a wet paper towel.